If you've lost access to your DoorDash account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the DoorDash login page. Go to the official DoorDash website or open the DoorDash app. Click on the login button to access the login screen. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your DoorDash account. This is necessary for DoorDash to identify your account and send you recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email for recovery instructions. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a message from DoorDash. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Contact DoorDash support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your DoorDash account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.